All-rounder Kunoli awaited his IPL debut. Major pay hike for India's domestic women cricketers. From Kishan, a message from comeback Mansoor. Assis probe on England's beach drinking. England captain Ben Stokes reacted after receiving a painful blow while waiting on the nets at the MCG. Tilak Verma solid T20 batter, but in the good old specialist mode. The cool customers in India T20 क्या लिखा आई वन lineup. Tilak Verma in T20 is 40 matches, 1,183 runs, 120 top score, 49.29 average, 144.09 strike rate, 2 hundreds, 6 50s, home and away. Over the last 2 years, he averaged 58.20 from T25 T20 is, making him a vital cog in the Indian team. Have fun with fact on Sunday. SD classified Wednesday. Government to roll out a smart doctor team in 70,000 hospitals and a human significance amid India's high disease burden. Mandatory AI content labeling norms to use shortly ITC. ना खाल में बात चाहिए सबसे बड़का हो गया था 200 देखो ये बात छोटा में सबसे ऊपर 200
कैसे बढ़िया प्लास्टिक
ना नहीं के Sensex snaps today gains gain IT pharma shares drag. Metals FMCG and energy shares witnessed buying interest. Tata Motors look to retain EV lead with 5 new launches by financial year 30. Tata. The company plans to invest rupiah 16,000 to 18,000 crore in EV business by financial year 30. India's wind capacity stands as 53 gigawatts, making up 10.5% of total power generation. Government plan review blueprint for India's wind power sector. Got to include e-commerce online prices in new CPI series. The new series of CPI will be released on February 12. Santosh Layar, MD and CEO, Mercedes-Benz India. Mercedes-Benz India plans quarterly price hikes on 2026. Cognizant US government seek review of visa details. Cognizant got 3,172 H1 visa last fiscal. India's power sector fails its next big bet in batteries. The surge in investments interest has been led by a sharp fall in batteries prices over the past few years. हमारा लक्ष्य SBI स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हिमांशी खुराना warrant issued for accused a murder of Indian origin woman in Canada. NYT reporter sues Google XAI OpenAI over chatbot training. Acclaimed video game creator dies in car crash. US Powerball jackpot soars to $1.7 billion. Bangladesh Hadith murder case to be tried under a speedy trial tribunal. A Bangladesh mourner holds a poster bearing the portrait of Sharif Usman Hadi during his funeral in Dhaka. Justice Department released 800 new Epstein documents from left Ghislaine Maxwell, Mick Jagger and former US President Bill Clinton are seen this image released by the Department of Justice on December 19. The US President announces to build Trump-class battleship. Trump triples bound to $3,000 if undocumented migrants leave US voluntarily. US President Donald Trump arrives to announce the creation of the Trump-class battleship during statements on the media at his Mar-a-Lago estate in Palm Beach, Florida on Monday. Trump announced the new class of ship will become the center ship of the Golden Fleet program to rebuild and strengthen the U.S. shipbuilding industry. Trump would be smart for Maduro to step down. Jamshedpur Rock Trailers Honor Association Vice President Gunjan Yadav died in a fog-related accident. Fog claims to lives in Kolhan, 206 deaths in 11 pumps in Seraikela, Kharsavan. Union Minister inaugurates critical minerals COE simulators at IIT ISM. Hamlet 2, Bhumika, Bengal and Bombay's threat world. What India's FTA with New Zealand signals, making legislative scrutiny rigorous and progress driven. The difficulties experienced by our biologists and an urgent call for reforming the debates on India's frontline state, powerlessness of the powerful, Bakriu, regret. Do not mess with the Iravis. For GMCH interns buried from duty for assault on Jivika Didis. New chief likely to take over as Maha GDP. Upscale Mumbai restaurants in trademark battle in HC. Three arrested for raping class 10 girls in town. Bihar HSO and SI suspended for negligence in handling class. Passenger train Kulides with tractor, no injury reported. SC award compensation for vehicles extended in Lycor case, orders probe. Kerala gears off to Christmas. Shoppers walk past decorations in Ernakulam Broadway market ahead of Christmas and New Year celebration on Tuesday on Kochi. India released $450 million reconstruction package for flood hit Lanka. Countdown begins for ISRO LVM-3 M6 launch. Delhi SC suspends jail sentence of accused in 2017 Unnao rape case. Kuldeep Singh Senghor. BJP aims to bring a generational shift in organizational regimes. Nitin Nabin. Dynasty politics on back foot as Queens face defeat in local polls. Intake of Intel students cloud rise to 100,000 by 2030, says Niti Aayog. Regional language take precedence in Lok Sabha address. Om Birla. 3 convicts sentenced of life in Nadia rape case. Sushasan Divas 2025. Quality Council of India is raising the benchmark of growth, introducing next gen reform. UCI board reform for Viksit Bharat. Old wave. Police women braved in cold in Patna on Tuesday as several districts of Bihar continue to reel under several cold conditions. Government TCFT 3-year deal for economic growth. Gambling racket busted in Purnia, 11 arrested. Police also seized ₹1.90 lakh cash during the raid. Home Guard Constable faces action in Lycor video surface in Madhubani. 1970 batch of urea seized in East Champaran, say officials. Shortage of sand hits construction in Patna. A sand mining site in Bihar. Trump unveils plans for new Navy battleship. Dwayne wife Cosette future pros property to wear literacy magic. Nearly 95 lakh voters exit from short draft roll in Free State UP. Protest in Simanchal over Bangladesh launching. Security personnel stand guard as people stage protesting support Bangladesh Hindus in Araria on Tuesday. Dance folk shoots the Taj Mahal. Taj. Canada searches. Mega pata. Phone kari. चली बंदूक